Right, we've got done what we need to get done and we're heading on our way back now. Yep, we're nicely away. I can honestly say these bloody backrests is marvellous. I'm just being careful there because it's not but speed cameras down here and I can do without a ticket, so one thing I have noticed with this bike, which I can't honestly say I've ever noticed with any other bike, I get a bloody draft up my leg. I never bother fastening the velcro or the straps at the bottom of my trouser leg. I might have to start and do it, or get some longer boots, because these is them shop boots. I can certainly give the heated grips a big thumbs up. They work exceedingly well, and of course the big mirrors shade your hands from cold draft, so it's not bad at all. I mean, these gloves is hardly a winter glove. They're not a summer glove, but they're not a winter glove. I really am getting to like this bike. It is super smooth. This is a bloody horrible bit of road. There's that much traffic on it, it basically definitely should be 3 lanes. I mean, this is Saturday, so it's quite quiet. You come down this on up throughout week and it's absolutely murder. I come up and down here, not well, a fair bit, not, you know, cartloads. And normally I just get behind an Arctic, 55, 60 mile an hour, bank cruise control and follow it all the way. It never alters. I tell you, the bloody brakes on it are shit hot. That's the first time I've had to use brakes with any sort of you know, but that's what you get on this road. It's like it all the time. If you watch this road on news, there's many a time little bumps on it and such as that, and it's that sort of thing. See all them cars there, I'm doing 70, I'm in slow lane. It's just terrible road. See that car there, that Skoda, the AA08, that passed me down there, I don't know, 5 miles back. The slip road for this Ponty Barnsley road, when traffic's joining it to go north, if it's a wagon, the slip road's that slow, they can't accelerate up to speed. So they end up pulling out into traffic, going slow, and then everybody jumps fast lane and then everybody's on brakes. See, that's the Skoda and it's just passing us again, you know, another couple of miles out road. This garage is same out coming out at garage, slip road's not big enough. I'm not sure as you pick it up with camera, but we've come 10 miles and that Skoda car is now 5 cars in front of me. My missus has just said we can go up to Squires for a cup of tea. I mean, we're just 75 mile an hour there and it's absolutely effortless. There ain't no wind blast, nothing. Dab cruise on, nice and easy away there. Not much of a video this time, I'm afraid. Just a drag up and down motorway. It's first motorway work I've really done on it. You know, not so far, we've probably done 30 mile there and back. Maybe 40, I don't know, something like that. Yep, it certainly is a nice bike. And to get rid of cruise control on this, I mean, I just nip clutch lever. I mean, it's, you barely have to touch it. The self-cancelling indicators were absolutely bloody spot on. You can cut footrests easier than what I thought. I would think that means I might get a bollocking. I mean, for a big bike it does handle pretty well. It ain't got as much ground clearance as what I thought it'd have like, but anyway. It's not a sports bike, it's a touring bike. And you should ride it befittingly. And I shall not be filming our lass giving me a bollocking. Yeah, our lass giving me a bollocking is not going to be for your entertainment. Right, we're nearly at Squires now. And a cup of tea. Oh, it's out to jumble.